Filters are powerful tools used when performing searches within ConstructConnect Project Intelligence. They allow you to take the extensive list of curated projects within our network and shrink it down to a more manageable size based on the specific criteria you enter. The Filters panel is typically found at the left side of the search screen. However, if you don't see it, press the Filters button at the top of the page. Once the filters display, you can select entries across numerous categories to indicate which jobs you'd like to see. Note that if you leave a filter blank, then the filter is inactive, and you still see every option within that filter. Let's examine a few different filtering options, starting by narrowing down the geographical area you're interested in. Find the Project Location filter. Open the drop-down menu and select City or Postal Code. You can then enter a zip code and a mile radius to view only projects within that radius. Searching within a specified radius is particularly useful if your subscription area is relatively large and you want to focus your search on a more specific area. Once you've entered the location criteria, the number of listed projects decreases significantly. So let's keep narrowing down this list even further. Let's only look at jobs listed within the GC or sub-bidding statuses to find the projects most likely currently seeking bidders. Find the project stage filter within the filters list. Then, click the checkbox next to bidding. You can click the little arrow next to bidding to expand the field. You'll see that GC and sub-bidding are now selected. Once again, the list of total projects within the search has decreased. There are many different categories listed within your filter options. You can tailor them for each search to pull in the exact projects you want to view, and they are by no means limited to the two examples I've just shown you. You can opt only to see jobs within a specific dollar value range, or you can set your filters to see jobs with specific types of documents, like plans attached. You can set even more filters by clicking the View Additional Filters link at the bottom of the Filters panel. Review those and see if they are appropriate for the types of searches that may be relevant to you and your company. In addition, note that you can use filters in combination with your project name or document searches initiated within the search bar at the top of the screen. See the project name search and document search videos for more information on using that field. Using search filters within ConstructConnect Project Intelligence dramatically enhances your ability to find and bid on construction projects precisely and efficiently. This targeted approach saves valuable time and increases your chance of identifying projects that align closely with your expertise and business goals.